So you might be in a situation where for some reason your app permissions are not working on your iPhone. Now, fixing this, there's a couple of different ways of going about doing it. The number one thing I recommend doing is to actually just go through and just double check your permissions that you have enabled on your phone. So number one, just make your way over into your particular device panel like this, into your settings. You want to scroll down until you get into your application manager on iOS 18. You basically click on apps at the very bottom, and then you come to this page. All you're going to want to do here is you want to go ahead and basically scroll over until you find your application that you want to go ahead and basically change the permissions for. So in this case, you can go and click on, news, you can click on photos, click on Roblox, whatever particular application you want to go ahead and change. So in this case, if I want to change TikTok, I can just tap on a TikTok right here, and then I can change these permissions. So there's a lot of different permissions that are enabled and available. So I can change live activities, background app refresh, and go ahead and configure and change them here. And you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem. If that doesn't end up doing it, you might also want to see if there's an update available for your iPhone. So what you can do here is you can make your way over into your settings application of your iPhone, scroll down until you get into your general settings, which is right here, click into here, and then you want to click on software update. So tap right into software update, that's right here, and you want to see if there is an update available. If there is, all you're basically going to have to do is just wait it out until the end of fixing that problem. Now, if that still doesn't end up doing it, you might want to try restarting your phone. You can also try seeing if you can reinstall that application. But those are kind of the main ways to go and fix the problem for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.